Hello, my name is Bridget, and I'd like to welcome you to the Bluegrass State and Georgetown, Kentucky, home to Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Kentucky. In 1986, our parent company, Toyota Motor Corporation, selected this site to be home to its first wholly owned plant in the United States. Since then, we've produced over 12.5 million vehicles and counting. Why don't you come with us as we take you on a tour of our massive Kentucky home?
Toyota Kentucky sits on 1,300 acres and covers over 9 million square feet under roof, making it Toyota's largest manufacturing facility in the world. It is also one of the most complete vehicle manufacturing plants you'll find anywhere. At TMMK, our 10,000 employees produce some of Toyota's best-selling vehicles at a rate of about 2,000 a day. TMMK is the only plant in North America to build the Avalon, and is also home to the RAV4 hybrid, Lexus ES350 and 300h, and America's best-selling sedan for 18 years in a row, the Toyota Camry. Toyota Kentucky was the first plant in the United States to build a Lexus vehicle when it began production of the ES350 in 2015. Each vehicle TMMK produces starts out as a giant coil of steel, which can weigh as much as 21 metric tons. From this point, it takes approximately 20 hours to build one Toyota. One of the 4 blanking machines will straighten, clean, and cut the steel into blanks, or sheets, roughly the size of the parts they will soon become, such as doors, hoods, or fenders. The steel blanks then move to one of our 12 press lines, which use about 600 different dies. These dies can weigh as much as 36 tons apiece. Think of them as huge cookie cutters. They come together with up to 1,600 tons of pressure to bend, shape, and trim the blanks into formed vehicle parts. Many of the dies at TMMK are made on-site in the die manufacturing shop. Die manufacturing builds dies for other Toyota models and plants as well. After the sheet metal parts leave stamping, they travel to body weld, where a vehicle really begins to take shape. Approximately 4,600 welds are completed on each vehicle. The vast majority are performed by robots. In fact, body weld is the most automated production area at TMMK, with over 2,000 robots in operation. In about 2 hours, body weld will take the sheet metal parts from stamping and build a complete shell body, ready for paint. Each car typically spends about 10.5 hours in the paint department. Here the vehicle is cleaned, primed, painted, and sealed. Throughout paint, care is taken to keep debris out because even one speck of dust can ruin a paint finish. Once the shell bodies have been painted, they are ready to move to assembly. Assembly is divided into 3 basic operations: trim, chassis, and final. Unique to the Toyota assembly process, the doors are removed from all vehicles, making it easier and safer for team members to work in and around the vehicle. This also helps prevent damage to the door's paint finish during assembly. On the door line, doors receive their various components, such as window glass and speakers. Each door will stay in the same sequence as the vehicles do in production. Once these doors are fully assembled, they'll move by a conveyor to the final line, where they are reinstalled on the exact vehicle from which they were removed. On the chassis line, team members will install the vehicle's radiator, muffler, tailpipes, and a few other parts of the exhaust system. A fuel tank, front and rear struts, and suspension are also added. One of the most critical elements of the assembly process is engine marriage, where the vehicle body and its engine are joined together. The engine moves under the vehicle on a turntable and is lifted up into the engine compartment. We raise our engines instead of lowering them because it gives us better control and a more precise fit. TMMK is one of the few vehicle plants that builds all its own engines on site. Our Powertrain plant, located just next door, has the capacity to produce more than 2,600 engines per day, including V6 and 4-cylinder engines. We also export many of our engines to other Toyota plants. On the final line, the finishing touches will be put on a brand new Toyota. Here, a vehicle will be outfitted with its rocker panels and front and rear bumpers, which are made in the plastic shop here on site. Like every part and component in the production process, each vehicle's seats are delivered line-side just in time. The seat installation is a great example of Toyota's just-in-time philosophy. one of the two pillars of the famed Toyota production system, whose central focus is the elimination of waste, or MUDA, in the manufacturing process. Just-in-time refers to the manufacturing and delivery of only the parts needed, when needed, and in the quantities needed. While the vehicle is in the paint shop, an electronic signal is sent to TMMK's seat supplier, also in Georgetown. They build the seats and make sure that they arrive here at Toyota just in time and in the correct order. The quality control team members you see here go over every inch of the vehicle, assuring that the quality meets Toyota's exacting standards. At the end of the final line, a brand new Toyota is started for the first time and with a flash of the headlights and a beep of the horn is driven off the line. Each day, randomly selected vehicles will be taken over to the audit lab and on-site test track for a variety of tests to ensure the vehicle meets high-quality standards. New Toyotas will then be covered with a protective film and sent to the marshalling yard where they will be loaded onto trains and trucks for delivery to Toyota dealerships across the United States and the world.
I'm glad you were able to get a sneak peek into our plant today on this virtual tour.